I need to make that pin cushion, the sewing machine. This is the only thing I could find. But, however, pins can go in it. So, we're going to go with this. I need to cut it down to where it will go into this right here. What I do? There it is. So, I need to cut this down so it will be what I need right here, which would be a 1/2 inch. Right here, we're going to go 1/2 inch. There we go. And we're going to cut it off. Oh, I don't want to use those. For my scissors, we've got to have them. Okay. Toss that. And now I'm going to do the other side, which is right here, which is probably a 1/2 inch too. Ta-da. Yep. 1/2 inch on this side. Alright. Now it should work. Yep. Okay, we can handle that. Now, I need to make me a base for it. And it will fit. So, I hope, yep, they both will fit. Yes, that's what we want. Alrighty, let me try to get the rest of the material found and everything else. So, I've already found some of this stuff with the already on it. I just want to refresh the heat on it and make sure that it's down really good on it. You gotta watch this one, it's not complete there. Alright, so I'm happy there. Turn this off. Now, oh, no. That gotta work. Do it down further, it'll work. Alright. So, where's the pencil? And we are going to go around this. And I'm going to give it a sawtooth off of it. I hope I got enough. If not, I have to find some more. We just got to make sure that we do. Okay. This right here will get the little S on it. Now, this right here is the little plate that we need on it. So we'll try to cut. You know what? I think this will be better. A lot better. Be faster anyway. And that's what I want. Uh-oh, here comes my trouble. So Mama Cat. Yeah. Well, that was something, Mama Cat. Yeah, it was. got one more side, yes. Now, you know, I think I want to make the base plate on this curve. So, see what I got here. I think I would like it better. Go up the corner. This is too big. So, see what we got here. Go from corner to corner. I think I would like this right here better. And I think she will too. I mean, putting little bitty details in it. I think that she will like it. I don't have no idea what that is. But we're not going to worry about it. We're just going to go on about our day and finish this bad baby up. Alright, let's see. I can keep that. That I can throw away. That's big enough to sandblast somebody. I hope. Alright, now we got that. And then we got that. So we can. Now what did I do with the. What did I do with it? Okay, right there it is. I must have put it there. Okay. See. Yeah, we can go on this one. And we only need one of these. And we'll trace it out. There we go. Well, I barely got that. We'll throw that away. Oh no, I didn't go against the top of here. Or the bottom. Now what's going on here, Sandy? Why aren't you doing the whole thing? I don't know. She's finding her spot on my stuff over here. That's what she's doing. Alright, now I have this. And I think that right there would look pretty good. Right in here. Base plate. Alrighty. Now, what do I need to do next? This. And I need 2 of these. And they have to be particular to the other one. In other words, opposite. If I'm saying it right. Whoop. Alright, now that we've got everything cut out and all, now we can start putting it together. I did have a dog outside, but it decided to come in. And I'm just going to do it like that. Now, we got to make sure that we put our marks on this. Oh no, I can't do it sideways like that. See what I can do. Try to make it where I can see it better. And hopefully I can. There we go. Make sure we get this lined up. And we have to have these marks. That's important. Alright. So, I have that done. And I need to put it all back in yonder. Alright, now I forgot to cut this little piece out that goes on the bottom of our base here. Because we want to have that. Now, I went ahead and sewed my S. And I have it on there. So now we could take, no, we don't want to do that. We want to sew it around. We'll start right here. And we'll go all the way around to right there. So, we'll be back. Alright, let's try to tear off all the paper that we can. It'll make it a whole lot more easier. Now, I used a really small stitch. What was it? I don't remember. 2.5. And I think that would help a lot. So we're going to get all this right here off. And now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pack it. We're going to put the fiber feel in it. And then that way we can give it its shape that it needs. So I'm going to get this done. Something I forgot is we want to take our pinky shears and cut along these right here sides without cutting into our sewing. So we'll have a good clean edge. The glue has dried, and I put my pins in here because, hey, it's pincushion, right? And I think I did a pretty good job. And I done sewed it all the way around. So that works for me. And I'm glad it worked out pretty good. Now, we need to get the sides here right. So what I'm going to do is just make me a mark. I think I went sideways on that. Try to do it again. Come on, do it right. No, I'm cool. Okay. So, now what I want to do is I'm going to take, and I'm going to sew this by hand. Because I don't think I'm going to be able to put it underneath. Let's try it and see if I can put it underneath the sewing machine. Let's see if it'll work. Now, I only want to go down to that line. Let me go back a little bit. Yeah. Come on. Let's go backwards. There we go. Yes. Alright, I'm going to finish this right here, pour it up, and then we'll be back. Alright, let's see what we can do about getting all this right here lined up here. Sticking our thing in it. Now, I wanted to leave this so that it would fold over and not make a double thing on it. Let's see which, I think I'd rather go this way. Oh, I need to tear this paper off. This paper will, I'm not going to be able to have the flexibility. I'll think of the word in a minute. Alright. See what we can do. Sticking it down on her. Yeah, buddy, that's working out pretty good. Now we'll stick this down in here. And I'm not liking the way this is doing. Mama Cat, did you take that away from me? Alright. Instead of looking for my other thing, I'm going to use this. I just want to get a little bit off. At least I thought I was. Okay. There. Now, let's see what I can do about getting this right here on the corner. There we go. Alright, now on this right here, I want to cut a little bit off. Around Mama Cat. I don't see her caring a bit. Okay. I think this is going to turn out really good. Watch it. Okay. Now, what are them pins? Alright. Pins. Got me some eyeballs there. I gotta figure out what to do with the buttons. I'm pretty sure I can find some buttons that'll look good on here. No, I think I'm going to go all the way down. If I go all the way down, I can look at it and see what I think about it. And make it look good. Come on, don't do that. One more side. I got one pin left over. One. Ow! Gotta watch the needles though, they're sticking up through here. Yeah. Let's see what we can do. About sticking some more. Okay. This. Ow, 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 ow. Hey, that went in my belly. Did not like it. Alright, that looks a little bit better. Alright, I'm going to take a new break. And then I'm going to come back. And we're going to work on it some more. Let's see what we can do about finishing this up. I found a regular needle that goes in a sewing machine. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it right at the point of my scissors, right up in here, and twist it so I can get the end of this up in here. Yes. See what we can do. And now I'm going to stick the bottom of it down in this one. And I'm going to keep them in there. I'm going to go up on it. And make sure that the needle is stuck down in here so nobody won't get hurt with it. I think that looks pretty good. Pretty good. I like that. Alright. So I'm going to sew these two buttons here. And this button right here. And now I also have to find a tack. And I'm not quite for sure, but I'll have to look for a tack so I can do the rest. Alrighty, I meant to show you the bottom that I have done. I want to take and put a marker on it. But, I got this right here done. And I want to put some glue. Well, I didn't want that much, but okay. And I'm going to go all the way around it. And I just want a little bit to keep my thread on there. But I got more than I expected. Alright, now I'm going to cut these ones. Oh, come on, no. I don't know where they went. Are you kidding me? I am not coming up with anything good here, am I? Alright, let's see what we can do about doing that. And now, I'm going to try, put me a little bit of this on it, the glue. And I'm going to stick it down in here. And there we go. Oh, come on. No, don't come loose. See if I can put a little bit more on it. Oh, come on. This is the reason why, because I couldn't get it to go out. Let's see. There we go. I will try my best to cut that off when I get to it. So now I gotta find my scissors down there. But in the meantime, I'm going to take a black marker, and right in here we got some white showing. And we're gonna just put some marker on it so you can't see it as well. I think that will work. Mark that. That looks good. Alright, man, I like to never found these. I looked all over the place for them, couldn't find them. But I did. I think I'm done. Oh, I want to put lace around the bottom of it. So now I get to look for my lace because I can't find it. Oh no! I cannot find my lace nowhere. But I found this little thing that's made like a flower. Now I said I'm going to use it. So now I gotta cut whatever they got going on here. And I can't tell. But there we go. They're getting it. Gotta come off over here and get my... There we go. Alright, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna play with this. And get this right here where we can use it. Alright, I think I got enough to do it. So, don't need all of it, so I'm going to cut it. And, yeah. Okay, now why ain't you... Okay, you are. Alright, let's see if I can't go back. We're going to fold this down. And I'm going to go around the top. I don't like this glue. Really, I don't. I'm not happy with hot glues. Oh, man. I was going to lay down and take a nap. And somebody called stupid telemarketer. Oh, that hurt! A telemarketer bothered me. But we're going to get this done. I think I'll be done by then. I'm going to get this on there. Go on up. Do that. Man, I'm making a mess. This is the reason why I don't like it, because you got too much string. All the time, too much string. You can't get rid of it. I'd probably been better off I sewed it on. God. Burn your fingers. Blah, blah, blah. Alright. See, it's almost 6 o'clock and I ain't heard nothing from my boys. They're putting in some time today. Alright. Now. I'm not sticking my fingers in it. I'm not. Got so many strings. There we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. And I got a string here and I don't even know where it come from. But I think it turned out really good. Now, my thought, get a piece of material and put it right here and make it look like it's been sewn and all. But I think that turned out really good. I wonder what that would look like. Alright, let me get rid of this. And look at this right here pile. I've got a pile of it. I just never did care for hot glue. Alright. Got hot glue everywhere here. On my mat. I'm not going to like that. Strings. Oh, come on now. Where you at? Oh, good lordy. Alright. Let me turn my iron on. And let's see if I can't find a little piece. I don't need a big piece. Just a little piece would work. And what my thinking is, oh no, okay, there it is. Guess right here work. I came back and re-ironed it because I didn't like the way it looked, so I redid it. Alright, now, I want to take, let's see, it would have to go this way, right in here. Okay, come on. There. Now we're going to go up with it. There we go. Now we have a little piece of material in there. I know it's going to turn out like that. Maybe I ought to put it away another way. Let's see. I'm putting it right at the end of where I had it. Let's see. Do it this way. And then that way it looks like it's being sewed on. And we can always take it out if she don't like it. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed. And we will catch you later. If you would like to donate to Poor Man's Sewing, this is the way you do it. You go to Poor Man's Sewing, and you mash on it, and then you go all the way up to About, and you mash on it, and right there is Donate to Poor Man's Sewing. I would appreciate it, and thank you very much in advance.